Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we will learn how to use Monday.com to create a financial board. If you've ever found yourself buried under piles of spreadsheets while trying to keep track of budgets, expenses, or planning a financial project, then you know how overwhelming it can be. Thankfully, Monday.com offers a powerful, user-friendly platform that makes organizing and visualizing your financial data a breeze. Today, we're diving into creating a financial board on Monday.com to streamline all your financial management needs. Let's embark on this journey together, starting with accessing the platform. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to the website, which is simply Monday.com. If you haven't visited before, you might find it helpful to bookmark the site for easy access in the future. Once there, you'll notice a login option prominently displayed in the upper right corner of the homepage. Click on this to initiate the process of accessing your account. It's quite straightforward. You can either choose to sign in with Google, which is a seamless option if you're already logged into your Google account, or manually enter the email address linked to your Monday.com account. By opting for Google sign-in, you save time by bypassing the need to enter passwords, making your login process smooth and efficient. Once you're in, you'll find yourself in your workspace. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a distinctive blue plus sign button. This button is your key to adding new elements to your workspace and is crucial for the steps we're about to take. Click on it and watch as a drop-down menu unfurls before you. Next, you'll want to look for the option labeled Board. Hovering your mouse over the small arrow next to Board will reveal additional options. Click on Start with Template, which will allow you to explore the various template options that Monday.com has thoughtfully provided. Now, in the search box that appears, type in the word Financial. This will help you filter through the templates, bringing up several options specifically related to finance. As you scroll through the list, look for the one labeled Financial Accounting. Clicking on this template will offer you a closer look at its features. Take your time to review the details and see how it can fit into your financial management strategy. Once you're ready to proceed with this template, you'll notice a button labeled Use Template. Clicking on this will add the selected financial template to your workspace, setting the foundation for your new financial board. Congratulations! You've just set up your starter financial template. This structured framework is ready for customization. Now comes the fun part, tailoring the board to meet your specific financial tracking requirements. You can modify the columns and rows to better suit the data you'll be managing. Don't hesitate to input your data, adjust categories, and personalize the board in a way that works best for you and your financial goals. And there you have it, a fully set up financial board on Monday.com, ready to assist you in managing your economic plans with efficiency and ease. By following these straightforward steps, you now have a powerful tool at your disposal to track your financial data, gain insights into your financial health, and make informed decisions. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with having your financial information organized and easily accessible. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to use Monday.com to create a financial board. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.